Hello, very good morning. Myself Chhatradhari Mandal, Managing Director of International Training and Consulting Services, Bangalore. It's a proud moment for us. Today we are at Bangalore International Airport and ready for the departure of our first student for the season of 2020 for the Russia. Along with me, Mr.CHIRANTH and his complete family member is with us. So today we'll take a brief interview with Mr. CHIRANTH and we'll try to understand how they are satisfied with the services of ITCS. Hello CHIRANTH, very good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah CHIRANTH, it's really a very nice moment for us. Today we are in a process of departure for that. So CHIRANTH, you are associated with us from the past 6-7 months. You have already completed your first semester of examinations through online process and all. So what's your overall experience with this university and with the ITCS?
It was the company experience with me was like a family also.
Thank you.
Because when I just got before, it was completely I was feeling like a brother speaking to me or what, because when it comes to better communication and relationship between a company and the society peoples, only because of the communication. When I just got a first call from your company, I was better satisfied with more. I just fixed myself, I'll go with this consultancy. And I would suggest all of the people to go with a better consultancy, because this is the only best consultancy I hope, which is going to do the work very fast and in a very perfect way.
Thank you. So CHIRANTH, as you know that you have been selected for the university for Russia.
Yeah.
Okay. So already you have completed your 6 months of approximately your online classes.
Yeah.
So what's your experience with the university teaching process and all?
So actually the university is it's in a highly digital and technological way. They don't feel like they're from outside students, they're not our students. There's no discrimination between the people. They do treat us as the same people as they treat with themselves. And the university teachings and all, it's a very perfect way, all eye-based educations with the digital studies.
Okay. So now till date, what experience you got with the university, how you are finding your future as a doctor?
I'm feeling happy actually for the firstly.
Okay.
And I feel proud to be a doctor and to serve in a country.
Yeah, thank you. I'll speak with your father also. Okay. So sir, it's a 6 month durations we are connected together. You can speak in Kannada also, sir, not a problem. So what's your experience with ITCS, sir?
So ನಾವು ITCS ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಯೋಜನೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಇದರಿಂದ ಅನೇಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Hello, madam. I would like to just get your views for the ITAC. But just a minute. So how you are satisfied with ITCS and you are already connected with us? Yeah. Yeah, 2 minutes, ma'am. So you are happy with all the services and all? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So CHIRANTH, we wish you all the best for your future career and all. And it's a small gift hamper from us.
Thank you, sir.
For you. Okay. It consists your all the original documents, your flight tickets, apron. We have states for you. Okay. Apron for you and all the required things what you got it. And it's a small gift from our side for your future future career and also to become a good doctor. Okay, we wish you all the best and thank you for everyone for believing on ITCS and giving a support for us, so that today we are in the position of departure of this. Okay,
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.